everyone. Today, we're at the beach with Baby Truck and Molly. The little ones are playing with the mech's new toy. Remember my old beach buggy, Grandma?
Of course I do, Gecko. It was your favourite toy when you were just a little one.
Ooh! Spinning screwdrivers! It's even faster than I remember! Oh!
The big back wheels allow it to grip the sand and race around, see? And the front ones help it steer.
Oh, the buggy is a bit too fast for Baby Truck to keep up with.
But she sure is determined.
Yes, she is. Go, go, Baby Truck.
Oh, look! Poor Baby Truck. Her little wheels can't grip the sand.
It's okay, Baby Truck. The others are just so excited they forgot to include you in the game. It's great that you're having fun, but Baby Truck is being left behind. I know you didn't mean to leave her out, but make sure you always try to look after each other. Ah, that's a nice hug. Now, let's find a way to help you keep up with the others. But how?
It's all about the wheels, Gecko.
That's it, Grandma. You've given me an idea. What tool do we need? Drill wrench. Jack. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, I undo the wheel nuts to remove your wheels. Then we swap them to give you both big back wheels and small front ones. Now you can roll speedy in the sand.
Oh, clever lad. You've turned them into brilliant beach buggies.
Baby Truck couldn't keep up when the others zoomed away. But games like these are much more fun when everyone can play.
Time for a spin. Woohoo!
Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Kat's putting on a magic show, and I'm her assistant. For my next trick, could I please have a volunteer? Yes, Baby Truck. Stand here, Porfis. My cue. Magnets attract things made of metal, like Baby Truck. This dial controls the magnet's pulling strength. With a wave of my wand, alakazam! Perfecto! Who's next? Molly! Prepare to float by magic. That's not part of the show. We'll get you down, Yellow. I'll just turn off the magnet.
Oh no! Yellow's stuck in the tree.
Let's take a break. I'll be back.
Cat, maybe we could use your magic silks as a rope to get Yellow down.
Buena idea, Gecko. Catch, Yellow.
Go, Tilly Tow Truck! Hold on, Yellow! Poor Yellow's terrified of heights. Oh no, Yellow! How will we get her down from that mountain? I know. We'll attach my spare magnet to Helena's grabbing arm and pull Yellow to us.
Great plan. Let's go.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time.
The magnet is heavy, so to take the strain, we'll attach it with a big strong chain. With a wrench and bolts, we'll make the change, so the magnet boosts our grabbing range. Connect the wire through this hole to give us full magnetic control. With the dial in place and the magnet below, we can save our dear friend Yellow. Let go, Yellow! The magnet won't drop you, I promise! Got you! Now, let's get back to the magic show. Are you ready for the finale?
Alla katsam!
Yay! Bravo, Cat! Oh, see you all next time!
Oh, hello everyone. We're playing baseball. Dandy's team are batting and we're fielding. I'm up to pitch.
Come on, throw it!
Sorry, Dandy. Here it comes.
Ball! I'll get it!
Don't chase the ball yet, Dandy. You have to run round the bases.
Oh, yeah!
Home run! Great shot, Dandy. Your team made a big score. Now it's our turn to bat and your turn to field.
Where's me? I'm a better fielder than a pitcher anyways.
Great shot, Blue! Yellow, batter up! Nice, Yellow!
I got it! Here I come!
Quick, Blue! Get to third base before Dandy or you're toast! Well done, Blue! But be careful, OK? My turn to step up to the plate.
Dandy dive!
Phew, that was close. Run, Max! Nuts and bolts! Blue's wheel has come loose so he can't run to home base. Huh? Oh, no! I can't run to Blue or I'll run Yellow out. We need to help Blue while Dandy's team are busy. Get ready to take a catch, Yellow, because you are going to fix Blue's wheel. The tool you need is a screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix!
Yes, Yellow. Now put the screw back in and use the screwdriver to tighten it. Righty-tighty, remember? Well done, Nex. No time to celebrate. You have to make it home before Dandy gets me out. Run!
Dandy dive!
Made it. Well done, everyone. Great game. Who fancies a rematch? But we may have to get our ball back first. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. It's a hot, sunny day, and we're off to the beach. Soggy screwdrivers. The bridge is shut, and Vicky can't deliver her ice cream.
I must have ice cream.
Don't worry, everyone. We'll help Vicky get to the beach. Come with us. There. Ah. I've made a couple of special tweaks to help Vicky get to the beach, but we may still need your rocket, Blue. Blue? Blue! Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help everyone in need of ice cream. Oh, We need some more speed. Now, Blue. That'll do, Blue. We don't want to overshoot the landing. Nuts and bolts. We did overshoot the landing. Don't worry, Vicky. A gecko always has a plan B. What a journey. Now, who wants an ice cream?
Out of the way, trash can. That's my ice cream. My ice cream.
See you next time, everyone. Bye!
Hello, everyone. Mama Recycle is on her way to collect our recycling. Here she comes now, right on time.
Aw, and Baby Truck's here too. Oh, what's wrong, Mama?
Spinning screwdrivers. Your suspension needs repairing. You'll need to rest while we fix you.
Oh, are you worried because there's more recycling to collect?
Oh, Baby wants to help. Ah, thank you, recycling team. Well done. Never mind. The important thing is you tried to help. And if at first you don't succeed, try again. Red and yellow can fix Mama's suspension, while blue, green and I help Baby become a recycling truck.
Just like her Mama.
What tools do we need? Wrench, spray paint. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. These boxes will help us recycle right. So let's glue them down, nice and tight. A grabbing arm is what you'll need to pick up recycling with safety and speed. A fresh coat of paint and labels stuck. Baby's now a recycling truck! You just relax, Mama Recycle. Red, blue and yellow will look after you. Let's put our fix to the test. Go, go, Baby Recycling Truck! That's it, Baby Truck. Now, which box does the metal can go in? That's right! Now to collect the rest of the recycling. Success! All done. Now back to the garage. Great job, everyone! We helped to save the planet, and Mama had a well-earned rest. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Baby Truck's here for a play date with the mechanicals. I'll come play soon. I just need to finish changing Fiona Fire Truck's wheels. Oh! Someone needs our help. Oh no! There's a fire and Fiona can't help.
Her new wheels haven't arrived yet. What will we do? Aha! That's it! The car wash! Baby Truck, how would you like to be a fire truck for the day?
firefighters are here. Oh no! We've sprung a leak! Take over, Red! Oh, good, Red! No problem, Trevor. Ah, and well done, baby. You make a really good fire truck. Bye, everyone!